Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of my Tamiya Dancing Rider build series. In this part we are going to go over the front fork, the rest of the chassis, and the wheels and tires. For this part of the series you'll need the hardware from bag C. For step 21 you'll need the following. And that completes step 21. For step 22, you'll need the following. Now in this step, you're going to have to take the sponge tape and cut it to the exact dimensions as shown in the instructions. Right here is the size of the cut. And basically you just compare it and make your cut. Actually easier doing it this way. And you'll need to make 2 of them. Here are the 2 cut pieces. And so you should have this foam padding on either side of this. And that completes step 22. You'll need the following for step 23. And that completes step 23. For step 24, you'll need this. Once again, we'll be using the plastic bearings for the time being. Later on, they will be replaced with ball bearings. And that completes step 24. You'll need the following for step 25. And that completes step 25. You'll need these parts for step 26. And that completes step 26. For step 27, you'll need these following parts. Now for this step right here, you want to attach these not exactly straight, but slightly angled downward. So not this way, but just like that. A slight angle downward. Alright, so easy way to tell is that this top side becomes straight edge. And that completes step 27. You'll need these parts for step 28. Now the instructions are a little off. Right here, the picture for the body mounting pieces, which is B14, don't actually look like that. B14 actually looks like these pieces right here. Oops, looks like I got these upside down. So these should be attached like that. And that completes step 28. This also concludes this part of the build series. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.